In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant is not starting. Now, the way that you can try and do this is first right click on your Valorant, open file location, go back once to write games, and then go to Valorant. In here choose live, choose shooter game, choose binaries, Windows 64 or Windows 32 if you have that one. And from in here you scroll down until you find Valorant, Windows 64 or Windows 32, shipping.exe. Right click on this one, properties, compatibility. Then first try and do this, apply OK, run it, check if it works. If it still doesn't, come back here, disable this one, enable this one, try, run it, see if it works. If that still doesn't work, just disable this one and apply, and then we go back to not having any of them checked. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can come all the way back here to live, find the two manifest folders and delete them. Now, once you delete them and you open up your Valorant, they're going to regenerate and reload themselves. Now, if that still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you try and go into Valorant and then press the Alt button and Enter on your keyboard. This is going to make your Valorant go in full screen mode, and this can help solve the issue. Now, Alt is on the left side, not the right Alt. Left side next to your Windows button, and then press Enter. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here and search for Services, open it up and scroll all the way down to V, find VGC, double click on it, make sure you choose this to automatic, and make sure it says running. If it's not running and it's just said stopped, you want to press start, apply, and OK, and then try and restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, come back in services and make sure that it's running. Now, once you run it and you restart your PC and you check that it's running, or if it's not running, you want to start it again and then try and relaunch Valorant. Now, I really hope any of these helped you. If there's still any issues, you can do just a clean reinstall. So simply uninstall Valorant and reinstall it. Now, like I said, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope any of these helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.